7. सेव्याद्राज्ञः फलप्राप्तिः दृश्यते न स्वपूर्वतः दानादिक्रियया सेव्यात् ईशात् तद्वत्फलं भवेत्। Through Antaryami Parameshwara, Akshara can be arrived better and known, and therefore first the linga that clues in terms of prashasana, administration the entire creation. That prashasana linga is being given to just prove that Ishvara Antaryami does exist, and this linga is explained from different standpoints to leave no doubt, no room for any doubt whatsoever that Ishvara exists. So one more aspect is being shown to prove Ishvara's existence, Antaryami's existence. This is the Tatparya of Yajamanam Devaha Darvim Pitaraha Avayattaha. So Yajamanam Dev Anvayattaha means depend upon. Devas and Pitrus depend upon these human beings who Yajamanam Devaha Anvayattaha. Devas, who are these Devas? Compared to human beings, they have got more power. They have got at their command more power and resources. In spite of that, see what they do. Yajamanam Anvayattaha. They depend on Yajamana, oblations offered by the Yajamana in the Homa and Yaga. Again, Darvim Pitaraha Anvayattaha. Darvi is a Homa, a Darvi Homa related to Shraddha. So now Pitrus also have got supernatural powers compared to human beings, and in spite of their being more powerful, they depend on the lower being, the human being. Is it possible without somebody who is there to rule or administer? There is someone Niyanta. Otherwise, how these powerful people have to depend on the ordinary mortals? So it is not possible. Therefore, Ishvara does exist. That is now explained. Devata Yaga Kartaram Pitara Shraddhakarinam Napnuyur Havya Kavyartham Yadi Nasyat Prashasita Yadi Prashasita na syat Yadi Prashasita na syat Tarhi Prashasita na syat Tarhi Any doctor, Gauri, just go down some stairs. A doctor may be required. He has gone, who that anesthetist has gone. See, I don't know what is happening there. Yadi prashasita na syat, add tarhi, havya kavyartham, devata yaga kartaram, pitaraha shraddhakarinam, na apnuyuhu. यदि प्रशासिता न स्यात्, in case who is not there, prashasita, who is that prashasita? Ishvara. So prashasita, one who controls, niyanta. So if this niyanta, parameshwara, antaryami is not there, yadi prashasita na syat, tarhi, is it ever possible that such powerful people have to depend on the ordinary human mortals? He says, tarhi, in that case, these, so who are those? Havya kavyartham, for the sake of havya and kavya. So what is havya? Oblations offered to the devas, havish, etc. That is havya. Again, kavya is oblations offered to pitrus. So oblations offered to pitrus, that is what is kavya. Havya kavyartham. Havya kavyartham. So means havya kavyartham devataha yagakartaram itaraha shraddhakarinam na apnayuhu. Na apnayuhu means do not depend upon, will not depend upon. Actually apnayuhu means go to. They won't go to. Who won't go to what? Devas won't go to yajamanas, and pitrus won't go to karinam, so they won't go to. Why? Because Swayam Ishvara, themselves are capable people. So is it possible a rich person, etc., will they approach a poor person for any help as such? No. And still they do, means there is a prashasita. There is someone who is controlling them, and that is what the clue or the linga for the existence of Ishvara. Existence of Ishvara. And therefore what is to be done? This Akshara Brahma through the linga of Antaryami Parameshwara should be known. Without knowing this Ishvara, even if one does many yagas, karmas, etc., the result is going to be limited only. It is not going to be limitless. It is of no use at all. This is the Tatparya of Brihadaranyaka 3.8.10. 3.8.10. That Yova etadaksharam aviditva asmin loke juhoti yajate tapasa tapyate bahuni varsha sahasrani antavadeva asya tadbhavati. Yo vai etadaksharam aviditva. Any person whosoever not knowing this Akshara Brahma aviditva, asmin loke juhoti, in this world takes the performance of homa, yaga, karma and all this, juhoti, says, yajate, juhote, yajna yaga he does, tapaha tapyate, takes various types of ascetic practices, and how long it is? Bahuni varsha sahasrani, for many thousands of years, that very long period. Bahuni varsha sahasrani antavadevasya tatbhavati. Whatever that person does, that who karta yajamana that person does, antavadeva bhavati. It is nothing but anta. Anta means it is ending in nature. It is limited result, limitless result. Moksha is just not possible. So that is how explained. Homa yaga tapausyajnaihi bahu krutva krutanyati vinasha phaladhaniti शासनम तत्प्रशासितुः अज्ञैः बहुकृत्वः होमयाग तपांसि कृतानि अपि अज्ञैः बहुकृत्वः होम याग तपांसि कृतानि अपि विनाश फलदानि इति तत्प्रशासितुः शासनम. This also gives the linga that Ishvara does exist. So this is the command, this is the rule of this Ishvara. What is it? Adnaihi, by ignorant people who know not their Swarupa and the Swarupa of Akshara Brahma as identical. So Adnaihi, Bahukritvaha Homayaga Tapansi Kritani Ati. Bahukritvaha, Bahu is many, Kritvas. Kritvas, this suffix means time. Means Bahukritvaha, many times in the sense repeatedly. So repeatedly. So many times in lifetime. So Bahukritvaha, Homa Yaga Tapansi. So you take whole performance of Homa, Yaga, Yajna. Alternative for Yaga is Dana also. Charities, Tapansi, all tapas, Tapansi. Bahukritvaha Krutanati. Many times even if they do, what is the result finally? Vinasha Phaladani iti. So they give only limited result. Vinasha Phaladani iti. So this is the mandate, rule of who? Tat prasasituhu shasanam. Earlier it was shown, Phala is given by who? Ishvara, Parameshwara, Antaryami only. So it is this rule that any karma, yajna, yaga, or tapas you may do, so the result is limited. The person has to continue in the Janma Marana Rupa Samsara only. So in this manner, so here I meaning, clues are given for the existence of Ishvara. One more is given and it is now being concluded. Ajnana matrato bandhaha jnana matrena muktata ityaccharyani sarvani kalpayanti svarastitam. Ajnanamatrataha bandha jnanamatrena muktata iti sarvani aschyaryani Ishvarastitam kalpayanti. Ishvarastitam kalpayanti. So other rule. Ajnanamatrataha bandha. Bondage on account of our ignorance of bandha. And how moksha? Jnanamatrena muktata. By Atma Jnana alone, liberation is gained. Who has said this? Where do you find this statement? Upanishad, Vedas, who has given? Antaryami, Ishvara has given. So that also, this rule also shows there is someone who is a Niyanta. So, iti sarvani aschyaryani. All these wonders only. So because it is, why they are wonders? You can't directly perceive apurva, apaurusheya, not directly accessible to the human intellect. So therefore, all these are wonders only. What do they convey? Ishvarastitam kalpayanti. Astitva, existence of Ishvara, what they do? Kalpayanti, fix upon or settle. Yes, they ascertain the existence of Ishvara. Now a question may come, why here in this Brihadaranyaka so many lingas are given for to prove the prashasana, the niyantritva of Ishvara. So the reason is not to leave any room for doubt. So same prashasana aspect is explained from different aspects. Vivada shanka pishesmin na sambhaveti darshayan prasasanam lingarupam prapanchitam anekashaha विवादशंकः अस्मिन् ईशे विवादशंका अपि न संभाव्या, विवादशंका अपि न संभाव्या इति दर्शयन् लिंगरूपं प्रशासनम् अनेकशः प्रपंचितम्। लिंगरूपं प्रशासनम् अनेकशः प्रपंचितम्। अस्मिन् ईशे विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू दिस ईश्वर एक्सिस्टेंस ऑफ परमेश्वर अंतर्यामी विवाद शंका अपि न संभाव्य। There should not be any room for any doubt whatsoever. Iti darshayan. So to the case showing this. So what is being done? Linga roopam prasadanam. The status of Parameshwara Prasakta, the Niyanta, the regulator, the control, which is served to the Linga, a clue for Ishvara's existence. That Linga, Anekashaha Prapanchitam, in a manifold ways it is explained. So same thing, like Raja Purva Sthitihi, orderliness, orderly behavior of Surya, Chandra, etc. Praise of a Jnani. Apurva by itself cannot give Punya. Ishvara only can give Punya. Again, this Devata Chitra depending on Yajamana, Shraddha Karmina, or again Ajnana leads to bondage and Jnana gives liberation. All these clues are being given to prove the existence of Ishvara with a Prasakta. Now, one who doesn't gain the knowledge of this Akshara through Ishvara means first better know Ishvara. That is why Jnana means first what is required is Bhakti. Through Bhakti you can proceed to Jnana. It gives the right disposition to this. Even otherwise, Akshara Brahma cannot be directly cognized. For its existence, you have to take recourse to the Ishvara aspect, and from that it can lead you to knowledge of Akshara Brahma. Suppose if one doesn't gain, what is his loss? This explanation of Shruti, Yova etadaksharam gargi aviditva asmat lokat praiti saha kripanaha atha ya etadaksharam viditva praiti sa brahmana. The contrast is drawn. The one who doesn't gain the knowledge, and other aspect is one who gains the knowledge. What is their loss? Let us see. Yo vai etadaksharam gargi aviditva. Oh Gargi, remember, what is this dialogue between who? Yajnavalkya and who? Gargi. So, oh Gargi, that is it, oh Gargi. Yahavai, any person whosoever, etadaksharam aviditva, without gaining the knowledge of this akshara, asma lokat praiti, depart from this world once forever for what? Never to return. Yes, never to return with a cloth. Never to return in that embodiment, okay? अगर cat rat बन के आएगा बाद so that is the never to return in that embodiment. That is our definition of mrityu. This medical science may go on deliberating on that whether the brain, when the brain stops, this what? Death is there or the heart stops, let them go on doing all these things. Our definition is simple. The fellow will never return the same embodiment. That is the truth. So therefore, praiti, prakarshena aiti, never to return to that embodiment. Okay? So praiti, and how? Aksharam aviditva, that is important. So without giving the knowledge of the Akshara Brahma, which is his own Swarupa, Saha, Kripanaha, He is a mean person. He is a wretched person. He is like a bondage laborer. So that is what such a plight, which is a detestable plight, he has gone. Atha kripanaha, atha in case, yaha etadaksharam viditva praiti. One, etadaksharam viditva. So one who gains the knowledge of this akshara and praiti, actually for him Utkranti is not there. There is no question of leaving this subtle body and going to other embodiments, not there. Here itself what happens? Subtle body gets disintegrated like the water thrown on a, let us say, very hot this rock at just gets evaporated, the Sukh Sharira gets disintegrated. So therefore it says, Viditva Praiti Saha Brahmanaha. He is the Brahmana, means one who has got the knowledge of Brahma, he is the Jnani, Saha Brahmana. Let us see. Yada Prabodhat Karpanyam Brahmanyam Yat Prabodhataha Tadaksharam Prabodhavyam Yathokteshwaravatmana Yad aprabodha Yasya aprabodhat becomes Yad aprabodha. Yad aprabodhat Karpanyam Yat prabodhataha Brahmanyam Yat prabodhataha Brahmanyam Tad aksharam Yathokteshvara vartmana. Tad aksharam Yathokteshvara vartmana Prabodhavyam. Yad aprabodhat Karpanyam Yasya aprabodha. Because of lack of knowledge of whom? What is that Yasya? Aksharasya. So Yasya Aksharasya. So because not Aksharasya, Karpanyam. What is Karpanya? Kripanasya bhava is Karpanya. So who is Kripanaha? Deenaha. Very mean, wretched, poor person also is first. See, Kripana, generally we take who? Miser. Miser is there. That is one of the meaning, but here it is not miser as such. Here is a very mean. It is like this. Actually it comes Panikrita dasavat. Like a slave, like a hired laborer. Hired laborer means what? Kaam ka dam, but that's all, not more than that. If sick leave, casual leave, privilege is exhausted, then leave without pay. Like that. So like a jitna kaam kiya, utna dam, that is being given. So like that. So that is how Panikrita dasavat means one who can enjoy or one can experience the results of one's actions only, but not the limitless. So that is because of the aviveka, lack of this buddhi. Karpanya also means one who is aviveki, one who lacks the buddhi, the viveka. Yada prabodha karpanyam. So because of this aprabodha, the lack of knowledge of Akshara Brahma, so one becomes a mean, wretched person. Yat prabodhataha brahmanyam. Because of whose prabodha? So that is the knowledge of whose brahmanyam, the status of brahmana, brahmajnani, one is tadaksharam, that akshara. Prabodhavyam, one should know, one should gain the knowledge. How? Yathokteshvara Vartmana. Vartman means marga. This means through the means of the existence of Ishvara just now pointed out. How the existence of Ishvara pointed out? Lingas. What lingas? Prashasitruttvadi. By these lingas it was pointed out. So first ascertain the existence of Ishvara and through Ishvara know what Akshara Brahma is. What is the relation between Akshara and Ishvara? Ishvara is the status of Akshara Brahma from standpoint of the creation. Left to itself is not the Ishvara. Akshara Brahma is not on its own Ishvara, but it is a status. That is now explained here. One may mistake that Akshara Brahma itself is Ishvara. No, Akshara Brahma doesn't have the status of Ishvara on its own, but it is something which is superimposed with respect to the creation, and it serves as a good clue to know our Swarupa. So this is explained because one may think that the Ishvara itself is not Ishvara. Akshara Brahma itself is Akshara, the Ishvara. No. Akshara is very interesting. Akshara Brahma itself is not Ishvara, but Ishvara itself in reality is who? Akshara Brahma. So this in Shruti we find to this effect this phrase. Tadvai etadaksharam gargi adrisham drashtru ashrutam shrotru amatam mantru avidnyatam vidnyatru. Itself, this akshara itself is what? Adrushtam. Beyond, it is not a prama, knowledge of any means of knowledge. It is not a knowledge of, it cannot be a knowledge or object of any means of knowledge. It cannot know, Vishaya, not knowledge. It cannot be a Vishaya of any means of knowledge. Adrishtam. Literally Adrishtam means what? Not seen. Means it is not a form to be seen. Where at the same time, now one may say, it is not a thing to be seen, means it may not exist. Drashtu. It is the seer. What is the meaning of seer? We will explain. Also what is adrishta, etc. So, is that. Ashrutam shrotu. It cannot be heard. At the same time, hearer. What is seer? Hearer will be explained in Stanga 275. So that again, amatam mantra. Otherwise, these words, adrishta, ashrutam, amatam, avidnyatam by itself can give an impression that it is a non-existing thing. No, it verily exists. But in what way drashtra, etc. will be seen afterwards. Aksharasya prashastritvam swamoha bhasa kalpitam nasvabhavikamitte vatyadrishtadivakyatah aksharasya prashastritvam swamohabhasakitam na svabhavikam iti etad drashtruttvadivakyatah vakti. Aksharasya prashastritvam swamohabhasakalpitam na svabhavikam iti etad adrishtadivakyatah vakti. Aksharasya prashastritvam. Prashastritva, status of being the prashasta, the ruler, the controller, the niyanta, for whom in the case of Akshara Brahma is on account of this. Swa moha bhasa kalpitam. It is projected, kalpitam. It is projected by Swa moha bhasa. What is Swa moha? Moha is ajnana here, not delusion, bhranti. Ajnana which leads to bhranti. So, swamoha, ajnana of oneself. So, ajnana of oneself. Oneself means whose? Akshara. Okay. And mere ajnana will not create the status of being Ishvara. Abhasa. What is abhasa? Chidabhasa means ajnana coupled with chidabhasa. Again, ajnana conditioned by chidabhasa. What about jiva? Who is the jiva? Ishvara means Jagat has come, Jiva has come, and this Jiva also is who? Akshara only, conditioned by Ajnana. Only difference is, there in the case of Ishvara it is macrocosmic Maya level, in the case of Jiva is individual macrocosmic level, avidya we call. Otherwise, Mandukya, see, when the prajna is being given, Eshaha sarveshwaraha, Eshaha sarvajnaha, Eshontaryami, Eshaha yonis sarvasya. Who is this prajna? Who is that prajna? Chaitanya conditioned by avidya and desire. But if you strip off the upadhi, what happens? Sarveshwaraha, sarvajnaha, sarvantaryami, yonihi sarvasya, prabhavapyaya vibhuta. Everything born exists and merges in him. So who is this Ishvara now? Big drama is going on. Don't know if it's a drama or park. Same Akshara Brahma parading as Jiva and attending Vedanta class to get what? Expert. And then चिल्लाना क्या है? चित्त शुद्धि नहीं है, एकाग्रता नहीं है, ज्ञान नहीं मिलता है. So big drama is going on, but you have to go through it. Why? Because already it has taken, it has to be now. What is to be now? Reversed. It has to be reversed. Auto reversal नहीं होता है, तो क्या करें? Auto reversal was there, it was nice thing it would have been, but there is no auto reversal. You have to reverse by this thing. Ishvara, Bhagavan will repeat at the cost of repetition. You are nothing but Brahma, you are Parameshwara Swarup as that, but Jiva is not ready to. Just as a person who is really inheriting lots of wealth and behaving or like as a beggar not knowing his properties, it is told you are a multi-billionaire, he is not ready to believe unless he owns up the property. So therefore we have to own up our Swarupa, that is Akshara Swarupa. So na svabhavikam, it is not svabhavika, it is not natural, means it on its own. Iti etad adrishtadivakyataha vakti. Iti etad adrishtadivakyataha vakti. All this he says, he explained, Bahu Yajnavalkya explains by these all different statements like adrishtu, etc. What is adrishtatvadi? Adrishtam drashtru, ashrutam shrotru, amatam mantra, avidnyatam vidnyatru. So what is meant by adrishtatva of who? This Akshara Brahma. So that is what being now. Let us see. Actually adrishtatva means jnanasya avishayatva. Not being the object of any jnana, that is adrishta. Not seen means not a form that can be seen, uparakshana form. It is not an object that can be known by any knowledge. It is not an object of any type of knowledge. So, and therefore, status of being Prakasa is not natural, it is only superimposed. Magocharati vartitva adrishtam cha tadaksharam abhavatva nishedhartham drashpraksharamipiriyate magocharati vartitva tadaksharam adrishtam cha tadaksharam adrishtam cha abhavatva nishedhartham aksharam drashru iti iriyate. See, drashtraksharam, this has to be split, sandhi is there. It is like this. Drashru plus aksharam. Ru vowel, drashru. Then then that becomes tra, rashtra, like rashtra. But two words are there. Drashru plus aksharam, drashtraksharam. Abhavatva nishedhartham aksharam drashru iti iriyate. The status of adrishta is because of this. That akshara is called adrishta. Why? Ma gocharati vartitva. What is ma? What is gochara? What is ati vartitva has to be seen. What is ma? Mami? Prama. Prama. Ma pramayaha means jnanasya. Gocharati, gochara means vishaya. Ativartitva. Not being the vishaya, gochara of any prama means pramayaha jnanasya avishayatva. Being not an object of the any type of knowledge. Any type of knowledge means what? In terms of Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha, or in any object of mind. So, Ma Gocharati Vartitva. So, being not an object of any types of knowledge. Adrishta Daksharam, that Akshara is what? Adrishtam. Adrishtam Sya. It is something which is Adra means it is not an object of any perception or any knowledge. Then why that drashtra is brought there? Because if you say adrishta, ashrutam, etc., someone conclude that, may conclude that it is non-existent. No. Abhavatva nishedhartham. See, any existent thing, is it not an object of knowledge? In the worldly parlance, is there a thing which exists and is not known? No. Like that is, if it is not an object of knowledge, it may not exist. No, that is not so. It is not something non-existent. Therefore, abhavatva nishedhartham. That is, because it is not a vishaya of jnana, one should not conclude it to be non-existent. So, aksharam, the same akshara, drashru, iti iriyati. It is said to be what? Drashru. Drashru means it is something which is fear. Again, fear means the problem is there. Do you know why? Fear is a limited one. Fear, seeing, etc. So what is meant by drashtra will be explained in the next stanza. But first, it is this much is true. Drashta, sota means existent one. It is something that exists. Then perception is there. Limitations are there. Akshara Brahma it can't be. Then this one wait for a while. We will explain what is meant by drashtu in the Shruti. Let us see that. Iti iriyate, it is what is said. So, now the doubt comes, if it is so, now what happens? Akshara Brahma is something which is kriya, that is seeing, hearing, tasting, etc. are kriya. So, it has got a kriya. So what kriya? Seeing, etc. it has got. So if that is the case, it is not like any other one. Is it not so? So that is not so. Because what is meant by drashtu, etc. let us know. Kutassadritvam drashtritvam न दृष्टे दृष्टिकर्तृता. There in your book, drishte is there. That dakara, you cancel it, remove it. Na drishte drishtikartruta. Ota prota girashesha. Drishya vastu nirakrute. After gira, put one avagraha there, S type. After gira, you put avagraha. Anvay. Drashtrutvam kutastha drutvam na drishte drishtikartruta. Drashtrutvam kutastha drutvam na drishte drishtikartruta. Ota prota gira ashesha drishya vastu nirakrute. Ota prota gira ashesha drishya vastu nirakrute. Drashtrutvam kutastha drutvam. When is akshara is aksharam, Brahma is said to be drashtru, is upalakshana par stotra, etc. So what does it mean? He says, kutastha drutvam. Being a drut and at the same time kutastha. What is kutastha? Never subject to any change. Ordinary seer is subject to change or not? Yes. When he doesn't see, is no more the seer. When he sees, is the seer. No, that is kuta. Means kutastha drutva means status of being drut, being kutastha. Now you see, you hear. How is it? Every moment you are changing. How? The word that you have heard now, next word is different. And time also passes by. So it is not a vikara in your seer, hearer is there or not. Such vikara is not there in the drut. What is it? Sakshi Chaitanya Sarupa Kutastha Drut. So means it is like this. When you see, how do you see? No doubt through the eye, that is correct. Rupakara Antakarna Vritti. But Rupakara Antakarna Vritti by itself is inert in nature. So that Rupakara Antakarna Vritti gets permeated by Chaitanya Sakshi Chaitanya, and because of its presence it is known. What is known? That Rupakara Antakarna Vritti means being pervading the Vishayakara Antakarna. Rupakara stands for any Vishaya. So pervading the Vishayakara Antakarna Vritti, in whose presence the Antakarna Vritti Vishaya gets known, that is the Kutastha Draktvam. Can you change that? You may say, see, now it eliminates. Earlier it didn't eliminate. No. Actually what has happened? That Kutastha Drik always is there. In its presence what has happened? Rupakara Avantakana came, and afterwards what happened? Yes. Sun is shining and you went out. Sun is illuminating you so and so. Is it? Sun is shining, you happen to go there. Actually you are there. But actually what happened? You got illuminated. Sun was there and you went in the sunlight, you got illuminated. Even if you come inside, sun is continuing to illuminate. Suppose the rat was there in a hole, it came out. Sun will illumine the rat. Is it? The rat came in the presence of the sun, that's all. So like that, Kutastha Drik Chaitanya always was there. You perceived some thing, and what happened? Rupakara Antakana Vritti flashed in your mind, and Chaitanya already the Chidabhasa came, and you came to know about that. So Sakshi Chaitanya doesn't say it is Kutastha Drik. That Kutastha Driktvam, Drashtritvam, Kutastha Driktvam. Na Drishtye Drishtikartrita. Not as we conceive. What is it? Drishya vastu, drashtikartrita means giving the perception of that object that is not here, the drashtritvam. So that is not the here drashtritvam. Okay, that is maybe so, but at least one thing is there or not. Object is there. You get Vishakara Antakana Vritti, and Kutastha Drik, what does it do? Eliminate. So Akshara Brahma doesn't do anything avikari, but Drishya is there or not? If Drishya is there, what will happen? Again, Parichinata will come. It will be destructible. No, it is not that way. The Drishya, though experience, in reality, they don't have any reality at all. They are mithya in mithya. How do you say so? Already it is told earlier. What was told earlier? See, this Jagat is Ota-Prota in Avyakruta Akasha. It was told. And that Avyakruta Akasha was not Avyakruta Akasha, Maya also is called, but Avyakruta Akasha also means Brahma. In Brahma, Jagat is center. What do you mean by Jagat is center? Jagat has no existence apart from Avyakruta Akasha Brahma. If this is so, what should happen? What should happen? The Brahma alone is real, Jagat is Mithya, false in nature. Therefore, Ota Prota Gira. That is this Vakya of Shruti in Yajnavalkya's answer. Avyakruta Akashe. Jagat Ota Prota, that was told. So, Ashesha Drishya Vastu Nirakruti. All Drishya Vastus are what? Nirakruti. Nirakruti means they are negated. They have really no form as such. Means no form in the sense, not a form to be purchased. The real nature. Other day, I came across a very interesting statement. I told in Panchadashi class. The world has got mental but not fundamental validity. The world has got only mental validity but not the fundamental validity. It is not real. It has no reality. But it is something which is appears by the mind, only a projection of the mind. So therefore, Drishyata, Ashesha Drishya Vastu Nirakriti. So, all Drishya Vastu are what? Nirakriti. They have no akriti. Akriti means here not Shabda Sparsha Rupa Rasa Gandha Akara, but they have no reality at all. They have no real validity at all. Okay. Entire Jagat has no validity, no separate existence, maybe, but Jiva may have a separate existence. Because see, entire Jagat is Sachetana or Achetana. Jada, Achetana. But Jiva, Sachetana. So therefore, Akshara Brahma is Chaitanya, Jiva is separate entity who is also Chaitanya. No, this Jiva also has no separate existence apart from Akshara. Ukta, this is told that Namyat Ataha Asti Drashta. So Ataha Akshara, other than this Akshara, Anyat Drashta Na Asti. There is no other Drashta at all. There is no other Drashta. Ukta drashtratirekena drishyam nasti yatha tatha जीवद्रष्टृनिषेधार्थं नान्यदित्याद्युदीरणम् यथा उक्तद्रष्टृतिरेकेण दृश्यं नास्ति तथा जीवद्रष्टृनिषेधार्थं नान्यत्, that नान्यत् put in inverted comma, it refers to the Shruti phrase नान्यत् इत्यादि उदीरणम, नान्यत् इत्यादि उदीरणम यथा, just as told in earlier stanza 275, ukta drashtratirekena, atirekena, other than ukta drashta, who is that akshara, other than the akshara Brahma which was pointed out as kutastha drashta, so other than that, so drishyam nasti, there is no other drishya. Why? Nirakriti was told, nirakriti, other drishya is not there. Tatha, in the same manner, jiva drashtra nishedhartham, so for negation of jiva as another drashta different from who? Akshara Brahma, Kutastha, Drik. So to know it is not so, to negate that, Nanyad ityadi, it is statement, Nanyad ataha asti drashta, etc. Etc. because Nanyad ataha asti shota, manta, vijnata, all these are told there. So therefore, other than this, there is no other drashta, shota, manta, vijnata, etc. Ityadi udiranam. So it is told in the Shruti. So in this manner, Gargi's question, the final question about Akshara was answered by who? Yajnavalkya. And he has pointed out what exactly the Akshara. So it's a lengthy answer. By the time you come to the end, you have forgotten how it started. So therefore, sum and substance of that, this is what Akshara is. Otherwise, you know that Marathi statement, Lala Manoni Paripatati La Madila Nitru. I will never forget that. I think Vinetanta has told it. So, Lala, Lulu, Lila, Lolola, Lamla, all forgotten after. So that is, so whatever discussed so far about Akshara Swarupa Brahma is not being shown. Vijatiya sajatiya vasvantara nishedhataha kutasthamekam chaitanyam siddham vasvaksharam param. Vijatiya sajatiya vasvantara nishedhataha kutastam ekam chaitanyam tu aksharam param vastu siddham. Vastu aksharam vasvaksharam. So aksharam param vastu siddham. Vijatiya sajatiya vasvantara nishedhataha. Say, other than Brahma there is no drishya. Other Akshara Brahma, other than this Akshara Brahma there is no Jiva. All what does it mean? There is nothing other than Akshara, only Akshara and Akshara Brahma alone is. So by this, so what can be Akshara Brahma now? Let us see. Vijatiya sajatiya vasvantara nishedhataha means anything other vasvantara, anyad vastu vasvantara, anything other means other than Brahma. There, by negating existence of anything other than Brahma, which is Vijatiya sajatiya, Drishya Jagat is Vijatiya, Jiva is सजातीय भाई चैतन्य सचेतन is that. Akshara Brahma is Chaitanya or not? Jiva is Jada or Sachetana? Sachetana. One may take as Sajat. This is not real division, okay? Don't say Akshara Brahma has got Sajatiya Bheda, Vijatiya Bheda, not that way. From a common man standpoint, so entire Jagat is taken as Vijatiya because it is inert in nature. Jiva is taken as Sajatiya because sentient in nature. So by negation of this, you know what is proved? Kutastha Akshara is this. Akshara Brahma is this. Kutastham ekam chaitanyam. The Kutastha Sakshi Drit in you, which is nothing but Chaitanya, is what? Aksharam Param Vastu Siddham. It is what? The limitless Akshara Vastu. Generally, Akshara Brahma, where our mind goes? There is Akshara Brahma. And that Akshara Brahma, from the standpoint of Jagat, is who? Parameshwar. And who are you? I am safe. Unscathed. I am unscathed. देखेंगे वो क्या करता है करके. Now what is happened? The ball is in your court now. See, all this thing he brought the ball in your court now. What is it? Kutastham ekam chaitanya. What is it? The Sakshi Chaitanya, because of which you are experiencing moment by moment, everything, all anubhava, all knowledge of your good, bad, indifferent, irrespective of what you experience, or on account of what? The Chaitanya, the pureness principle, pure conscious principle in you itself is what? Chaitanya. Can you deny that? No. Because of you know that I am also. That I, what you say has to be what? Chaitanya only, which is nirvikari. So that is what? That is Aksharam Paramam Vastu Siddham. That is the Paramastu. Can you deny now? And itself is who? Ishvara. And you complain about Ishvara, right? Concession deta hi nahi hai. So he is so rigid about his prashasta, very tough, hard taskmaster he is. So he says, and who is he? Yourself parading as what? Prashasta Ishvara. This is what secret. Rahasya. This is Chidambara Rahasya. This is Chidambara Rahasya ka baap hai ye. Yourself is Akshara. So you know Chidambara Rahasya means they say, actually there Akasha Linga is it. Akasha itself is it. So there are something, I have not seen it, but I have heard about it. So there is one garland of some, I think golden bilwa or something like that. And they show Arati. And that was Chidambara. What Chidambara, what you see there? All you see the garland, but you have to get through the garland, what you have to comprehend? Space. And that space as what? Shivalinga. That way it is to be seen. So that way. So that is here. So this is the Parama Rahasya, not ordinary Rahasya. It is the Parama Rahasya. So in this, and in this Akshara, what is that Akshara? Your own Swarupa is centered the entire, that is what? The Avyakta Maya, because the question started. Avyakruta Akasha, Avyakruta Akasha, Avyakrita was taken as what? Maya, Prakriti. In what it is centered? It concludes in this Akshara that is centered in it. Oh,